Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you everything I got in New York. Now, disclaimer, a couple of things could be missing. I do not know where they are. You know when you buy stuff and you're like, I don't shop online, so it's easy, it comes and it's all there in one big bag. But when we're in New York, we're shopping loads of different shops, and there's a lot of different shopping bags, and when you have to bring them home, you have to pile them all into the case. So and then I wore some of them as well, so I keep forgetting which ones I actually bought and which ones I already had, which is really annoying. But like, I know for certain the ones in front of me are the ones I bought. Now I think don't know about that shirt over there. I think I bought that, but I'm not gonna show it because I don't know if I bought it or not. So anyway, they're all mixed up. I have some thrift shop stuff, I have some Topman stuff, obviously I'm going to go to Topman. I love Topman, so I'm obviously going to go to it in New York. I don't care, I'm going to go to it, and it was amazing. It was bigger and there's more options than the one that is here, so I was happy with that. I think I spent most in Topman than I did anywhere else. Actually no, that's a lie, Macy's I spent the most in, but there's some stuff from Topman, thrift shop, and I also got some stuff in Macy's as well, so there's like a mix of kind of Tommy Hilfiger, Levi's, and yeah. So without further ado, let's just get right into this. Okay guys, so I'm just going to start off over here. So the first thing, now this t-shirt, well it's like a long sleeve t-shirt, it's from Tommy Hilfiger. Now I'm kicking myself, like I wish I got a medium, but I got a small, and like it's fine, like it fits, but like it's not like, I like the oversized look at the minute, and it was only $28. $28, so I wish I got a medium. Like, I'm kicking myself, so I'm selling this to my brother for the same price, because I'm not gonna waste $20. Yeah, but I just like the sleeve on it. I like that, and there was a pair of jeans in there as well that I was loved, but they were all sold out on my size, which I was kicking myself about. It was like just a kind of darkish denim. I have a pair exactly like it, except on these ones I had Tommy Hilfiger like kind of, I don't know, like worked into the denim, like it was kind of like stamps, but it was kind of stained. I don't know, it was really hard to, I'll insert a picture if I can find it, but it was really hard to it's hard to describe it, but they were so nice. I might as well just do all the stuff I got at Macy's first. So then I got these jeans in Macy's. They're Levi's, and they're so different and like cool, and they're like kind of dark denim, and then they have like light denim inside these kind of stitchings, and these are where are they? Lowball, that's what they're called, lowball. So I got these in the Levi shop, and like they're $60, I think they were $60, which is like cheaper than they are here, because here they're like €100, around €100 per pair for Levi's. So I was happy with that, to be honest. Also in the Levi's store in Macy's, I got a Levi's hoodie. It's great. I really wanted one of these, but it fits perfectly, but it's tighter than I'd like. I don't know why I got a medium, why I got a small, I don't know why. Like I was so exhausted that day, I remember it, and yeah, I was under so much stress because these shops are busy, and like the staff are very rude as well. So I was kind of like stressed out when I was buying this, but I got a small because my brain wasn't working. I wish I got a medium, and then if I got a medium I would have cut it at the bottom a bit, because it does run a bit long, which is really weird, and I don't like that. So yeah, now if I cut it, it would just look stupid. So then we also went to this outlet shop, I think, yeah. Oh, I bought three things, I was gonna say. So I got this, I really like this actually. This is a Tommy Hilfiger hoodie. This was $100. No, $90 or $100, I can't remember. But it's so soft, you guys, like so soft. I just can't, like, it's so soft and so comfortable, and like it's just perfect. I love it. And I remember seeing this one in grey at Christmas time in this shop here in like Bar, and I seen it and I was like, oh, I want it so bad. I think it was €120. So I think I saved like €20 on it. I don't know, but I wanted the grey one, but when I went asked the lady for it, she was like very like, like moody. And she was like, it's just whatever's there. And I was like, oh, okay, that's okay. You obviously don't work on commission. So then we went also in that Jersey Gardens. There was a Levi's store in there. Now the Jersey Gardens, like, it's very like, you know, the basic kind of stuff. So I just got a pair of basic black skinny jeans in Levi's, because I don't have a pair and I really wanted a pair. Now, I mean, it's not my favorite type of denim. It's very thin, which I'm not a fan of, but I suppose it's so stretchy, you know. I also got this pair. This is a pair I'm out of. The Tommy Hilfiger ones were like this, except had Tommy Hilfiger up the sides. Yeah, it's really cool, but I love these ones as well. I was actually wearing these one day with my camo jacket I'm going to show you, and the Tommy Hilfiger hoodie, and the Chelsea boots I'm going to show you, and I got compliments on my outfit that day by a stranger, and I felt very good about myself for the rest of the day. And so then that was Macy's and Jersey Gardens. Oh! Yeah, Macy's and Jersey Gardens. Now I'm going to show you, oh my god, you guys see that? It's like almost poked my eye. Now guys, I'm going to show you what I got in Topman. So first things first is this t-shirt here. I love this. This fits me so perfect. Like, it's, you know, when you have that fit that you know, like, you like, that's comfortable on you, like, this is it. Like, this fits me so well. And this was only, I think it was like $30 or something. I can't even remember, but like, it's really nice, and it's thick kind of material, and I don't even know what it says on it. Saint Paradis. And yeah, I love it. So I got that. It's kind of oversized kind of a fit, which I love. And it's size medium. Yeah, medium. Love it. I also got this camo jacket, which, like, I love. I got it in like a size small, but it's big for a small. Like, it's still like big, but it fits like perfect, I suppose. And yeah, I love this. I just have a thing for jackets. Like, I love jackets. So this is another thing I got. And then also in Topman, I got these are a pair of Chelsea boots. I like wear Chelsea boots like religiously. Like, they're the shoe I wear most of the time, like 99% of the time I wear them. So I decided to invest in like a really good pair. So these are them. They're so comfy, they fit like a glove, and they look expensive and they feel expensive, but they weren't expensive. I think they were like $100, I think. But yeah, love these. These are my favorite. Okay then, so moving on to my thrifted items. So we went to a shop with a lovely lady called Sammy, yeah. I'll have her Instagram link below. She does like a whole thrift shopping excursion kind of experience thing, which is amazing, like amazing. Like, I definitely do it again. Next time I'm in New York, I'll like 100% do it. But the first place we went into was Salvation Army. And I got this kind of woolen kind of granddad kind of jumper knitted kind of thing, and I'm looking at it, no, it's a kind of like oversized bit, which I really love, and that whole kind of granddad chic thing I'm kind of like getting into at the minute. So I mean, I loved it, and she picked this out for me actually. Like, she's really good at knowing what you want before you know what you want, if you know what I mean. Like, I would never have picked this up for myself, but when she picked it up, I was kind of like, oh, okay, actually I kind of like that. So yeah, I love that. It's by a brand called Jan Tez Classics, which is really cool. Then after Salvation Army, I only got one thing in there. We went to another spot that has more kind of, I don't know, like cooler stuff. So I got this kind of tie-dye t-shirt. Like, I think this is so cool, and I know tie-dye is like coming back in a big way. It's very festival-y, but like, I mean, I totally wear this like on the couch. So yeah, I love this. Then also in that same shop, I got this denim kind of workwear kind of shirt. It's by a brand called Dickies, and she was saying that Dickies is like very trendy at the minute over in America. So I was like, oh, okay. And I like the buttons. They're like they're so like, and the material is so like, you know, stiff and like heavy and thick and like good quality, and like it's not gonna rip. And the fit, I just love the fit of it as well, and it's just like, I love it so much. And you guys know I love denim, so this was a welcomed addition to my closet. And then finally in the thrift shop, I got this kind of genuine, oh, what is that? Oh, genuine army jacket, and this is so cool. Like, this is Really, 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 really cool. Like, really cool. Like, wow. I love this. And I love camo prints. So, like, I mean, this is like genuine. So, like, I could literally could be in a field and you would not see me. Like, all I see is a head right now. Because it's camo. Okay, guys. And the final thing I bought in New York was... Oh, no, sorry. Don't go away just yet. There's one more thing, which is at the very end. But I got these shoes in Steve Madden. They're so nice. When I seen them as soon as I walked in the door, and I was like, they're the shoes I want. So I went over, asked for my size, tried them on, and like, not even lying, guys, these feel like you're floating. You're like jumping on a cloud. Like, oh my god, so comfy. Because I was wearing these around, and I walked, yeah, you can see the bottom of them. I walked 20,000, about, yeah, 30,000 steps in these, 25,000 steps in these, and my feet were killed because I hadn't broken them in yet. So lesson learned, I will not be walking 20,000 feet in like boots ever again. But my feet were so sore, and I put these on, and literally, like, I felt like I was floating through the whole place. It was amazing. Like, these are my favorite so far. Actually, no, I like my Chelsea boots. Chelsea boots are like my, you know, thing. I like Chelsea boots. Okay, next thing I got was a little blue box, purple, blue, box from Swarovski. Now, I remember when we went the first time, we went to the Swarovski that was on Times Square, and I seen this piece that was like a bracelet that had two kind of circulars on it, and I loved it, but it was $150, and I was like, do I really need it? And I really liked it, and I was like so adamant that I was going to get it. But then I went to another one then on the last day. It was one that was beside Macy's, and the one I seen that was in Times Square for $150 was $50. And I was like, okay. And then I seen this one, and I was like, this one's nicer. Like, I much prefer this one than the other one. Like, this one's so much more like exciting compared to the other one. Like, this one is so pretty. Like, oh, I love it. It's so like cool. Like, it's just a cool piece, and that's something I'm really trying to do more now, is invest in jewelry, because I feel like you're gonna have it for life, you know. And there's a warranty on it as well, so like if any of the crystals break, I can get a brand new replacement for free. So I mean, I might just, you know, break a crystal, you know, if I feel like it's getting scratched or something, you know. But you know, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not lying. So yeah, I love it, and I just love how like the light reflects on it. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, literally when I got it, I just spent the whole day just like going back and forth like this, up to the sunlight, and then back in here, and I put it on my arm, and yeah, and it goes really well with my barbed wire one that I wear all the time. So yeah, I love it so much, and I like silver. Like, I like silver, so I prefer silver to gold. So yeah, I like this. This is probably the most expensive thing I bought, but I mean, it will always fit. It will always be on my wrist. I'm not gonna wear I'm gonna wear it for like special occasions at the minute, and then when I, you know, start getting money, then I might, you know, wear it more often, because it will be less, you know. Actually, I'm gonna wear it all the time now, because I mean, if I have a year warranty on it, I might as well wear it for the full year as much as I can. And then, you know, instead of wearing it, like not wearing it off for a year and then starting wearing it and then I break it after the warranty goes, and then having to buy it again, like, no, thank you. Okay guys, that is everything that I got in New York City. Wow, I mean, is this my biggest shopping haul? Is it my biggest shopping haul? I don't know, I think the one I done before college was bigger, but like, do I love everything in this pile? Yes. Oh, sorry, I also got this jumper as well. Oh my god, I literally completely forgot about it. I got this in Century 21, and I also got a pair of Tommy Hilfiger socks as well, Century 21. And I love this. It has that oversized fit as well, and that's like the fit I'm loving at the minute, because it just makes me feel like, you know, free. I don't feel restricted, and yeah, just how it is. So yeah, my main thing when I was in New York is I didn't want to buy stuff just for the sake of buying stuff, if you know what I mean. I wanted to only buy things that, you know, I was kind of like, oh, I like that. I like that. Yeah, kind of a vibe. What will be worn the most? Probably these, because I literally wear Chelsea boots on it daily. because they're just so simple and like, I'm not even gonna show you what my old Chelsea boots are like. They were only €30 my old Chelsea boots, like, so I mean this is an upgrade for me. And yeah, if these ever get ruined I'm gonna be so sad. But yeah guys, that's my haul. I really hope you enjoyed. Please let me know down in the comments what was your favorite piece that I bought or picked up. Yeah, just let me know. And have you seen my New York vlogs? If you have not, I definitely recommend watching. More so the second one than the first one, because I mean the first one was kind of rushed editing it, like because I was in New York at the time I was editing it, and it was like in the evenings when we got back. My eyes were bleeding at the screen editing it, but the second one took me so long to do and I'm so proud of it. So if you have not seen that, I please recommend going over and watching it, and give me a thumbs up if you like that kind of style of editing it, blah blah blah. Anyway guys, I will see you guys in the next one. But before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.